So when is it a good time to outsource your fulfillment? In answer, really when it starts slowing down your business and hampering your growth. We usually would suggest around about 100 orders a month is when you're then starting to get into the realms of picking and packing at weekends, and you might end up encroaching into your evenings, etc. That's usually the time that you need to start quietly thinking about outsourcing your fulfillment, because effectively by that stage, inevitably you're going to be struggling finding the time to concentrate your efforts on promoting your business, expanding your product range, etc., etc. So outsourcing at that stage is a really good way for you to regain a little bit of control. So a lot of people, when they're outsourcing fulfillment, can feel as if they're actually losing control of their business, and it couldn't be further from the truth. You actually gain more control because you end up gaining more focus on what is important within your business. Time is the most important commodity of any e-commerce entrepreneur, and so outsourcing gives you that time to focus on the really important parts of your business, and so therefore the sooner you can actually outsource your fulfillment, the better it is going to be for you to be able to scale and grow your business.